coolest little lamp you need. This little accordion lamp folds all the way down to travel size. And when you open it back up, can alternate between yellow and white light. The two plates are magnetic, so they stick together to hold it upright. And even comes with this handy dandy hanger. Amazon favorites, episode 19. This is my leak-proof sippy cup. Totally leak-proof. And after 3 children, this is the only one that has been truly leak-proof. Comes in a straw, a sippy spout, and a 360, and it is the best. Our favorites, episode 18. This new accessory for my cell phone. Check this out. This little loop attaches to your phone and is better than the loopy case because it's a little bit thicker and allows you to prop your phone up like that. It also lays flat to slip into your pocket. Best part, it's under $10. Amazon favorites, episode 32. This little personal-sized fan. It's small, it's compact, it has 2 settings, and perfect for on the go. Amazon favorites, episode 26. This looks like a normal compact that you keep in your purse, but it's not. You open it up, push the button, and boom. One side is normal magnification, and the other is a little stronger. Comes with a cleaning cloth and charges by USB. Perfect for on the go. Things in my car I can't live without, episode 7. This little contraption that it attaches to your headrest to prevent your children from falling over when they're sleeping, and when not in use can lift up to get out of the way. These are perfect for road trips or long car rides. Amazon favorites, episode 23. You may already know squigs and love them, but these glow in the dark. They're made of silicone and have little suction cups that stick to just about anything. They're safe to chew on, and they glow in the dark. Seriously, so cool. Things I love in my home office, episode 3. I love the look of this marble dry erase board. I love that it's at an angle, it makes it easy to write, and this little drawer holds your markers. You can write and erase with ease and place your pen when you're done. Every home needs one of these. It's a humidifier, and this one just happens to be a Hello Kitty. I love it because you can remove the lid and actually just grab it by the handle to go fill. The humidifier produces steam out of the ears, which helps your little ones sleep. Oh, and also acts as a nightlight. Coolest little gadget for lunches on the go. Did you know that the Tupperware company still exists? Oh, it does. So say you pack your lunch for work or school, pop this in your lunchbox, and boom, a knife, a spoon, and a fork. All in one little convenient package for on the go. Things in my car I can't live without, episode 4. This battery that allows me to jump my car myself if my battery dies. Has a little flashlight on one end and comes with the jumper cables. If you drive a car, you need this. Made me buy it, episode 7. This little pocket charger is so cool. Not only is it really small, but it's only $10. And watch this. You lift out the cord to show a micro USB or pop it in right here and pull out the adapter for the iPhone. The most interesting diaper bag in the world. Looks pretty unassuming, right? Kind of. Pockets, comes with stroller straps, even a little place for wipes. But watch this. Now it's a place to change your baby's diapers. That's right. Things in my car I can't live without, episode 3. This trash can, it's great for so many reasons. It attaches to the headrest. It has a lid that prevents garbage from spilling out, kind of. And it has little mesh pockets on either side to hold extra trash bags. TikTok made me buy it, episode 11. This makeup brush is awesome. Fits in the palm of your hand and gives an even application of foundation every time. Amazon favorites, episode 37. Working in school from home can get boring, so I picked up a couple new fidget toys. The first is this little edamame pod. When you squeeze, little beans pop out. This little squishy chicken, when you squeeze, pops an egg out. Eee! Beat the boredom with these little guys. Amazon favorites, episode 33. This coffee machine for kids is just too cute. It's made of wood and comes with 11 pieces. It looks so much like the real thing. Amazon favorites, episode 31. This little StikBot is so cute. He has suction cups on each foot, and you can use their app to animate him. My kid loves him. Amazon favorites, episode 30. This colorful little toy is the perfect sensory activity for babies and toddlers. I love that it's colorful and fun. It's the cutest. Favorite things in my kitchen, episode 2. This little blender. Its super small size makes it totally portable. Love that it's pink and it comes in so many colors. It also has a built-in strainer, and it makes the best smoothies. They say to clean it, all you have to do is add some water and a couple drops of detergent. Let's do it. Water in, couple drops of detergent, and blend. Whoa. I just dumped the water and I'm super impressed. Added a little bit more to get it totally clean. The blend jet would be perfect for moms because you can use this to make baby food. Want to snag one for yourself? Check the discount code in my description. Favorite games for kids, episode 1. This little game is called Dragon Snacks. Ages 4 and up to 2 to 4 players. To play, wave your hand in front of the dragon's nose and his belly lights up. Memorize the position of the pieces because the dragon's nose lights up the color that you're searching for. Open the dragon's mouth, reach in, and pull out the matching color. Seriously, so much fun. TikTok made me buy it, episode 9. These are little silicone straws. Look unassuming, but they open all the way up so that you can clean any gunk on the inside. With kids, these are awesome. I love that they're reusable and good for the environment, but personally, I didn't care for them. They felt just a little too fat. Things in my car I can't live without, episode 6. This little tiny med kit. Inside it has Band-Aids, triple antibiotic ointment, and hand sanitizer, all in the perfect little case. TikTok made me buy it, episode 8. I saw this little gadget on TikTok, and it looks awesome. It is a scrubber. It's under 20 bucks. It's better than a toothbrush, and I am old, and I'm excited to use it. Favorite sunscreens for kids and adults. Think Sport uses great natural ingredients, all in this convenient little stick. Looks like this and rubs in really nice. I love the convenient little size, and I think you will too. Things in my car I can't live without, episode 2. My car box. Inside this container, I have disposable toilet cover, disposable placemat, little trash bags, a little med kit, diapers, and wipes.